Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the oil in a Toyota RAV4. Start by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and letting the engine cool for 10 to 15 minutes. Wear gloves and eye protection while you gather parts and tools. Locate the oil fill cap and dipstick, then jack the vehicle if needed for access. Safety first, and prepare a clean workspace with rags and a drain pan. Loosen the oil fill cap to allow faster draining, then position your drain pan under the oil pan. Use the correct socket to remove the drain plug and let the oil flow out until droplets slow to a drip. Inspect the drain plug washer and clean the plug before reinstalling it snugly, but do not over-tighten. Dispose of old oil properly at a recycling center or auto parts store. Remove the oil filter carefully, letting trapped oil drain into your pan, and install a new filter after applying a light coat of fresh oil to the gasket. Reinstall the drain plug with its washer and torque to spec, then add the recommended oil grade and volume through the fill port. Start the engine briefly, check for leaks, turn it off, let oil settle, and confirm level on the dipstick before lowering the vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.